Hello everybody, this is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I am with Sandra Radner again, a real estate attorney out here in Melville. And the question I have for Sandra now is, what is the role of an attorney in the real estate transaction? For the buyer this time.
For the buyer. So the role of the attorney for the buyer, again, if you have an attorney picked out before you actually find the house you're buying, it makes things a lot easier. But really what you need your attorney for is to protect you, to make sure that everything that you've negotiated with the seller is contained in that contract. So for example, if the seller said they were leaving all the ceiling fans in the house, and then that doesn't get into the contract, they could take those ceiling fans when they move. So you need to make sure that you communicate with the purchaser's attorney, with your attorney, that these are the items that were agreed to. This way, when they get the contract from the seller's attorney, they can review it and make sure it's complete, because once you sign it, it's very difficult to go back and change anything. Usually, if you have a very agreeable attorney that's representing the seller, sometimes things can be changed later, but usually they can't be. So it's very important to get everything into the contract the first time. The other thing is that it's always recommended that you have an engineer's report or an inspection done of the home before you go into the contract. And the reason is that sometimes things are disclosed during that inspection. So for example, the heating system might not be working properly, or there might be a problem with the plumbing or with the electrical system. Those are things that can help you to either negotiate the price, maybe making the purchase price lower, or it might be something that's going to be repaired prior to the closing. And if it's something that's going to be repaired, or something that's going to reduce the price, that needs to be made part of the contract so that it's enforceable.
Great, that's a lot of information, but it's really simple if you listen to the video a couple of times and just take some notes while she's going through the list. And if you still have questions, you can reach out to us with our contact information that will be on the bottom of the video. Thanks again for watching.
Thank you.